My control panel on my Frigidaire freezer is flashing FF0 of.
What Frigidaire product do you have?
Model LFFH21F7HWJ.
What have you tried so far with your Frigidaire product?
I locked the panel, held the up and down buttons down for 5 seconds. It appeared to reset went blank, removed power for 5 minutes. Then returned power. Went back to the flashing.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
The whole thing started with loss of power. When I reset the panel and tried to reset the temp is when this began.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. It sounds like you know to hold the up and down buttons for 5 seconds to reset the board. Now press the down button 5 times rapidly. If it won't work, the power outage shorted out the display board, I'm sorry to say. It will need to be replaced, so below is a link to the display board for your model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks for your help. I was afraid of that.
Not a problem, but I'm sorry about the bad news.
When I reset the control panel again, then hit the down arrow 5 times, it started working. Thank you very much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.